Hello, it's Adas.
Hello, Audrey.
Today we are speaking about the meeting room solutions. As there are quite many different meeting room solutions in the market, starting from compute part to video and audio products, I believe we should guide our partners how to select the right meeting room solution for the customer. Lenovo actually has a quite brilliant product range that fits from the smallest personal spaces to the very large rooms. And if we see larger data like European or even the Baltics numbers, we see that majority of the meeting rooms is Teams based, but not sure actually if you are aware, but you can join different platform like Zoom or Cisco WebEx calls from Teams Rooms devices. So I must say we should guide the partners and speak more about the solutions.
Okay, so let's start from our smallest solution, which is dedicated to personal room, phone booth, or so-called huddle rooms. Basically, in the meetings, there is one or two person using the device. So Lenovo has to offer ThinkSmart View Plus. It's a monitor, 27-inch monitor with integrated cameras, microphones and speakers. Technically looking, it really allows to have pretty qualitative online meeting calls. It has 4K camera, integrated speakers and integrated microphone. Actually 4 microphones, so I'm pretty sure the quality of the meetings are going to be brilliant. On top of that, it's a touchscreen device, so it has integrated pen. With that solution, you can make the meetings interactive. It is a great solution in this shared desk environment where a lot of people need to use, for example, meeting devices and access it. So they can come, log into their environment and use the online meetings. Also another great feature as it is a visual, so you can use it as a separate monitor. With a one button click, you can change the environment from Teams meeting room to the regular visual. Also you can connect a second monitor, so basically very universal device. So to conclude, ThinkSmart View Plus is a dedicated device to manage online meetings in a personal space or very small meeting rooms.
Let's continue now with the small meeting room solutions, and in Lenovo terms, that's a meeting room for up to 6 persons sitting in the place. So we have 2 solutions for that kind of rooms, and both are like all-in-one solutions with super easy installation. The first product is ThinkSmart Hub. So this is all-in-one device and it works the best if it stands in the middle of the table at the meeting room because it has 4 integrated microphones, 4 integrated speakers. At the same time, it has integrated 10-inch tablet, so everyone sitting around the table can manage the meeting easily and be heard. This device has integrated sensors which will automatically wake up the device whenever somebody is entering the room. From compute part, it's Intel Core i5 based, so this device will definitely serve the meeting room for many years to come, and it comes with Windows 11 IoT operating system. The ThinkSmart Hub ensures that every participant sitting in the room or remotely is fully engaged, and that makes meeting super efficient. We also recommend to combine ThinkSmart Hub with our ThinkSmart Cam, which is camera based with artificial intelligent features, so then the solution is made full. The second solution for small meeting room is called ThinkSmart One. So from European sales data, we see that this type of meeting room solutions, which is all-in-one bar, taking the market by storm because of one fact: it's so easy to install it in the meeting room. It's all-in-one. This device features extra wide view camera with the privacy shutter. This camera supports auto zoom, auto framing, people counting, whiteboard recognition, so it has plenty AI features inside. It has 8 integrated microphones, and every single person in the room up to 6 meters distance from the ThinkSmart bar will be heard actually like it's standing next to the microphone. For this solution, meeting is controlled by the 10-inch controller, and you actually can decide whether you would like to have USB-C controller or IP controller, but about the controllers I will cover a bit later.
Going forward and scaling up to 12 people, which in our terms is medium meeting room, Lenovo is offering ThinkSmart Core, which consists of two parts: Lenovo Tiny PC and 10-inch ThinkSmart controller. The brain of the solution is Lenovo Tiny PC, which you can put under the table or behind the screen, and there you can connect all needed accessories via USB-C ports. So cameras, speakers, microphones, or any other devices. It also has HDMI port in and out, so you can share your content with online meeting participants or in the meeting room. The other device that you connect in the solution is a ThinkSmart controller. It's a 10-inch touch display that you could put on the table and control various meeting settings and of course join the meetings. It also has some smart features, like it can detect when you entering the room and wake up all the needed devices for you quickly to join the meetings. So if you have your own cameras, speakers and display, it is really a great solution to organize everything and take your meetings management into the next level. Now, if you don't have cameras and microphones, we have an offer for you. It is a Core Kit Bar 180. So with this device, you will get the same core device for the accessories management, same controller, 10-inch display on the table, and also ThinkSmart Bar 180. So this is two or actually 3-in-1 device that has speakers and microphones. By the way, 10 speakers and 8 microphones, so I'm pretty sure it will have a great audio quality. Also, it has an amazing camera. Technically, it looks impressive. 4-camera system for panoramic 4K quality in 180 degrees view. But the AI features, it makes it more impressive. Focusing on the speaker, defining the room boundaries, or framing the view. And most impressive, of course, it looks live. We've been using this camera in our office for a while, and it always created a nice surprise for the people when the camera starts jumping from one speaker to the other. But actually it does the job pretty well, as it can recognize up to 10 voices and can follow up the speaker pretty well.
ThinkSmart devices that we already touched, ThinkSmart Core and ThinkSmart One, has two types of controllers for user to select according the room he's having. So we have USB-C controller or IP controller. Controllers has slightly different look, so that's the first thing user will notice. Secondly, USB-C controller, as the name indicates, is being connected by USB cable. So it will be visible on the table. At the same time, it's being limited to 10 meters distance from the compute part. Quite many meeting rooms has LAN cable already installed in the table, so IP controller might work better because cable will be hidden. At the same time, it's not limited basically in length because it supports cable up to 100 meters distance. The other difference, if we speak about the cables, is that USB-C controller is connected straight to the compute part of ThinkSmart One or ThinkSmart Core, while IP controller and the LAN cable coming from the controller part firstly is connected to the link box, which is somewhere hidden in the room, and then the link box is connected to the compute part of ThinkSmart Core or ThinkSmart One. Both controllers has 10-inch 350 nits brightness screens with infrared sensors, so whenever somebody is entering the room, it will automatically wake up the device. There are different part numbers for ThinkSmart Core and ThinkSmart One devices. One part number for device with IP controller, another part number for device with USB-C controller. So you need to select the right one that fits customer the best. At the same time, Lenovo sells IP controller as a separate device. And now we are moving to the large meeting rooms. So in Lenovo terms, it's a room for up to 18 persons. And for this type of room, we have a solution called ThinkSmart Core Full Room Kit. So that's basically a solution where user gets everything in one box. And that box contains ThinkSmart Core and a controller, ThinkSmart Cam, and ThinkSmart Bar XL. As ThinkSmart Core was already touched, I will speak a bit more about the audio and video solutions in this kit. So this solution comes with ThinkSmart Bar XL, and it's actually tailored for large meeting rooms because it comes with 2 extra microphone pods which can be placed on the large meeting room table. These microphone pods are actually wired, and if it happens that 5 meters cable to connect the pods which comes in the box is too short for you, Lenovo has a separate cable which is 15 meters long, so you can purchase it separately. This soundbar supports loudness of 100 decibels with 4 integrated speakers with built-in DSP for echo and noise cancellation. Just make sure you are using this soundbar for the meetings because it provides crystal clear audio actually for the participants, but it's not made to listen for the very high volume music. With the ThinkSmart Core Full Room Kit, user gets a ThinkSmart Cam, which is a 4K camera with artificial intelligence features. It supports features like auto framing, auto zooming, whiteboard recognition for natural video conferencing experience. IT organizations at a company actually can utilize this camera to understand how meeting room is being used, because this camera can count number of people who are using the meeting room. So, Audrus, we touched the solutions Lenovo has, but it's really important to understand for the IT managers how to manage those solutions.
Software and management stuff is really important nowadays. Lenovo for that has to offer Lenovo ThinkSmart Manager for all ThinkSmart devices management. Also, this software can manage even our partner devices like Logitech cameras. This software solution designed for the centralized management and monitoring of Lenovo ThinkSmart devices, which are used in the meeting rooms. The platform offers device management capabilities, allowing administrators to remotely configure settings, update firmware, and monitor the health and the security of ThinkSmart devices. It provides real-time monitoring and analytic tools to track device usage, performance, metrics, and user behavior. Additionally, ThinkSmart Manager includes built-in remote diagnostic and troubleshooting tools, empowering IT teams to quickly identify and resolve issues without the need for on-site visit, thereby minimizing downtime and enhancing productivity. As an example, IT admin remotely can restart any device or see if some of the accessories has stopped working, like camera or soundbar.
There are 2 types of ThinkSmart Manager consoles. So one is absolutely free and is going to be free all the time. And the second one is the premium license, which actually comes for free with every ThinkSmart product purchase, but the free license is limited for the just first year. And if user is satisfied of using the premium features, he just needs to purchase the license from the second year and onwards. And let's end this session with the most popular topic for today's, which is artificial intelligence. So Audrus was speaking before about the ThinkSmart Bar 180, which is our newest camera and soundbar solution. So I would like to speak more about artificial intelligence features for this device. This camera and bar setup has great features like virtual director. So it frames active speaker. It has feature called intelligent zoom, this automatically frames all the people in the room in 180 degrees view. And it has a feature called dynamic composition. So this makes close-up views for each participant in the room. And of course, this device has precise voice detection. It is AI ready, but in the very near future, with the newest software updates, actually it would become even more special. Microsoft actually is working on Teams updates, which will enable ThinkSmart Bar 180 to become as Microsoft Intelligent Speaker. So this is expected at the end of 2024, and after that, each speaker in the room who previously did voice recognition using his Team license would be recognized by the system, and translations will be given after the meeting. Artificial intelligence will be able to provide summary of the meeting and call to actions for each of the attendees. We know that, at least from the beginning, Lithuanian, Latvian and Estonian languages are not going to be supported by this feature, but I believe that all of us are having quite a lot of English meetings.
And one more feature, which is not described in any technical specifications or our key selling points, what we have been talking, that all those solutions is really easy way to manage meeting rooms availability. Each device can have a meeting room name and people can book it online, then the other peoples will see the availability of meeting room. That's really a cool and very valuable feature when organizing the meetings and using these ThinkSmart devices.
So Lenovo has a brilliant solutions for all type of different meeting rooms, and actually we are really keen to speak more with our partners about the solutions they are building for the customers. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for the next episodes.